Good morning, third grade. Let's start reviewing our multiple choice challenge for today, Thursday, April 9th. Let's start with question number 1, which says, which of the following is not an example of a dairy product? The first thing that I did is translate the word dairy to made from milk. This is kind of a hard question, and I think even some grown-ups get confused about what dairy actually means. So let's go through all of the answer choices and it'll become clearer. So answer choice A shows us a picture of cheese. We know that cheese comes from milk. So that can't be our answer because we're looking for the one that is not an example of a dairy product. Answer choice B shows us eggs. This is where some people get confused. Eggs usually get grouped in with dairy, like in the supermarket if you're shopping. You see eggs next to butter and milk and yogurt and cheese. But eggs are actually an example of protein because they don't come from milk. They come from chickens. And we know that chickens are an example of meat. So we know that eggs are protein, not dairy. Just to be sure, answer choice C shows us yogurt. That also comes from milk. And answer choice D shows us actual milk, which we know can't be our answer. So our answer choice is B, eggs. Question number 2 says, what is the function of the large intestine? So again, the word function means what does it do? So let's go through our answer choices. This might be hard for us because maybe from the beginning we don't know what the large intestine does. But all of our answer choices are going to tell us the function of at least one part of the body, and we can translate those so that we can narrow it down to which one is talking about the large intestine. So answer choice A says to move food into the stomach. We know that that's the job of the esophagus. Answer choice B says to grind up food. We know that that's the job of the mouth. Answer choice C says to get rid of solid waste. Maybe that's the best answer for the large intestine. Just to be sure, D says to churn up food. We know that the stomach does that. If you guys don't remember, when we learned about the large intestine, we talked about it as the exit door. That's how things leave our body, through the large intestine. So we know that the best answer is answer choice C. Number 3, which of the following is one of the functions of the skeletal system? So again, the word function means what does it do? We know that the skeletal system is talking about bones. This one's sort of hard because right from the beginning, we don't see any answer choices that tell us that the skeletal system supports the body, but we know that that's true. The skeletal system also has another job, and that's to make bone marrow, where we could find red blood cells. But let's go through our answer choices. Answer choice A says to break down food. We know that that's the digestive system. That's what helps us eat. Answer choice B says to make red blood cells. We just talked about that. That is one of the functions of our skeletal system. Inside of our bones, there's bone marrow, and that's where our red blood cells are made. Just to be sure, answer choice C says to bring air into the body. That's the job of the respiratory system. That includes our lungs. We haven't learned about that, but you will learn about it in 4th grade. Answer choice D, to make the body go to sleep. Logically, we know that our bones are not going to help us go to sleep, so we can make a best guess about the best choice being answer B. I hope all of you got all of those right and you're ready for our last day of the multiple choice challenge tomorrow. We will be taking our LEAP next Tuesday, and I'm sure that you guys are going to crush it.